I'm Brenda King, and I live at 7119 Bloomsbury Lane. I didn't want to get up here and talk, and I almost feel as if it's a waste of time talking. I have great empathy for all of the small builders. I understand where you're coming from. I come from a long line of family on both sides that have had businesses. In Florida, where I grew up, we've had orchards, we've had ranches, we've had dairy farms, we've had all kinds of things. So I empathize for the builder, and I am not anti-builder or developer. However, it just concerns me that the mere fact that all across this country there are small businesses in small towns and communities, and they have commercial design standards. So somehow these places are able to provide for small business development, economic development, and also look out for the aesthetics of their community, which all reports, similar to those that have been talked about tonight, document that there is a very high correlation to economic business development and aesthetically pleasing places. Now, I think all of you can know from your personal experiences when you have visited friends or relatives, gone on vacation, you go into certain areas and you have a good feeling about being there. You want to return either for another vacation or maybe even decide that's where you want to retire. And it's because there's something about the place, how it's laid out, how it looks. I'm drawn as a woman shopper into places that look attractive. I do not want to go into any place that looks like some crappy mess. So to me, all we're trying to do is to do something that I feel are not mutually exclusive concepts. We can cater to the business development, we can enhance it, we can accentuate it, and it can all go together. Now, if some of these are more onerous regulations than others, and they can be identified as being very, very difficult to do in terms of finance or hardship or whatever, then maybe something can be done. But to totally talk about throwing out the entire concept of improving commercial design standards, I think the planning department should contact some of these other communities across the country and find out how they went about getting theirs passed. That's my comment. As far